Hello all, welcome to scenario-based tableau training offered by Rayapati Analytics. My name is Kalpana Rayapati. If you want to register at rayapatianalytics.com, enter rayapatianalytics.com in the browser and sign up for the first time. Once you get your login credentials, enter your login credentials to access the content. Even you can attend the first 2 weeks of the Tableau training for free. If you want to get the mobile app, go to Google Play Store and type Rayapati Analytics and download this app. Whatever the content that you are accessing here can be accessed using this from your mobile also. Okay, now let us see one scenario here. Build a city symbol map and try to get the number of customers from each city. Show the label for selected cities. So what is this scenario? Again here I want to have city wise number of customers. Here I am taking the city map. Again here the unknown issue is arising. How to solve this? Just take the details. I am taking the country and even I am taking the state also here. Now the unknowns are reduced to 92 unknowns. So how to solve these unknowns? Let us see in another video. But here now I got the city symbol maps, but here I want to show something, right? In this map I want to show the number of customers. How to show the number of customers? Here am I having any measure named number of customers? No, but here I am having customer ID and customer name. For each customer that who is doing the transaction, one customer ID will be produced, right? If I count the number of customer IDs, obviously I will get the number of customer details per city. So how to count this? Here I am bringing this customer ID to the size, as well as again I am bringing customer ID to the label. Again I am taking count distinct of customer ID. Now see, based on the size we can see where in all these cities where the number of customers are more. Here if you see the number of customers are 350. As the size is bigger, I hovered on this. Here I am getting this number of customers as 355. If I see this 304, 13. So if I see these smaller circles, the number of customers are 5 or 6. So this is what city wise symbol map to get the number of customers, right? Now even I want to color this. Before that, something they are asking here, show the label for selected cities. So if I want to show the label for selected cities, I have dropped this in the label, right? Here if you go to this label, here you are able to see this option, right? Marks to label. You can select some option here. Now here only for the selected I want. That is why here marks to label I am selecting the option as selected. Now see, whenever you select anything, for that only you are able to see the number of customers. When you click on it, then only you will get. Okay, for rest of them you don't get the number of customer details. Now what is this map? This is city wise symbol map. Now I want to build the same view with the concept of field map. I want to solve the same scenario, city wise number of customers. For that again by default we will start with this city, right? By taking this. Now here I am taking country to the detail and state to the detail. Before adding the measure, directly from marks card also we can take this field map, right? Now here I am going to this, I am selecting this map, field map. It is not changing. You are observing, right? It is more similar like this symbol map only. Why? Because in Tableau we have one limitation. What is that limitation? For city geographical representation, for city you can't get a field map. That is one limitation we need to remember. Only symbol maps are possible for cities. That is why for every scenario I am building symbol map as well as the field map, just to show you this limitation. Okay, now you got this, right? Only you can build a symbol map, not a field map for cities. Now this is about this scenario, guys. Now here I have added something to the label, right? Now I am getting the label for the selected. After some time I thought that I don't want this label, rather I want to color the view based on the count of customers. Then again I need to bring customer ID. I need to drop this into color window. I need to get this coloring, right? Instead, as I'm saying, I don't want this in the label, I want this in the color, right? Just click on this T that is coming before to your measure. Just click on this icon. Now here, as this is in the label, the other 4 windows in the marks card are tooltip, detail and color and size, right? The other 4 options you are getting. For this one here, already this is in the size window, right? That is why what are the other 4 options? Color, label, detail and tooltip. That 4 options are you are getting. Once you click on this, if you want to shift this to some other window, just click that option. Now from label to color it got changed. Okay. If you want to know any details about the course, then call us on 9121314333 guys. Thank you.